Okay, so I got it to work actually. It opened right away in Maya 2018. So you might have to get Maya 2018 and install it. It's not a big deal. Now, a couple things though. First of all, you need to combine your mesh together. So you need to take it out and combine the mesh. All right, so it's only one mesh. Okay, a lot better and easier to do your job. Also, right here, you see you have all the history right here of everything you've done. That's just too much calculation for Maya. So you need to go to edit, delete by type history, all by type history. That's fine, same thing being. So like that, your mesh will be much faster. So I'm going to save that for you right now in the Maya 2018 format and email it back to you just in case. All right. So let me do that, and you just install. I'll put 2018, and then you should be good to go. Okay. Thanks.